Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, today we will do English word. First we write capital A. Capital A start from the top and make a slanting line. Make a slanting line opposite again, then make sleeping line. Make a curve, go up and go down. Capital A, this is small a. A phonic sound is A. Now we write capital B. Capital B start from the top and make a standing line. Go back up to the top and make a curve and join with the standing line. Make a curve again and join with the standing line. This is a capital B. Small b start from the top and make a standing line. Middle B start a curve, then joining with the standing line. This is a small b. B phonic sound is ba. Start from the top. B starts capital C. Capital C start from the top and make curve. Join the dot. Small c write in middle two lines and draw a curve. Capital C and small c. C sound is ka. C sound is ka. A for apple, B for ball, K for cat. Capital D start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the bottom. Small d, make a standing line from the middle. Middle, draw a small curve and join the dot. Capital D phonic sound is D. D for duck, D for doll. Capital E start from the top and draw a standing line. Jump go again to the top and draw one sleeping line to the right. Then go to the middle and draw another line. Lastly, go to the bottom and draw one more line in the same way. Small e start below the middle, making a loop and continue to make a curve. To reach the bottom. This is capital E and small e. E phonic sound is A. A for elephant.